This 2015 Redwood RV Redwood RW38RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Redwood RV is 41 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 4, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, external shower, slide-out, TV, DVD player, leveling jacks, oven, awning, stovetop burner, and 104 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2015 Redwood RV Redwood RW38RL is 13,672 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.